Hello everyone, my name is Neha. So you can see here, I did my MSc from IIT Kanpur. I qualified these exams. So today in this video, I'll talk about the strait of the world. So what is a strait? Strait is a pathway, okay, which disconnect the two land bodies like जैसे कि India and Europe. So two land bodies or two continents, or we can say it connect the two water bodies like some oceans like Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. So strait is a pathway which connect the two water bodies. So today in this video I'll talk about the strait of the world. So let's get started. Before that, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and the thumbs up button. Thank you. Now we will see some strait which present in the North America, Middle East and the South America also. Okay, here is the Hormuz Strait which present in the Middle East, Hudson Strait, Davis Strait, Denmark Strait, Dover Strait, Florida Strait, it nearby the North America. Okay, it present in the Mediterranean Sea. So we have not studied this strait here. So Magellan Strait present in the South America. Okay, so in the map, North America, here is the Davis Strait. Okay, so this Davis Strait connect the Baffin Bay or the Labrador Sea. Okay, or in the broader term, we can say this Davis Strait connect the Baffin Bay and the Atlantic Sea. Here you can see the Baffin Bay, Davis Strait connect the Baffin Bay and the Atlantic Ocean. Greenland, or we can say that it disconnect the Greenland and the Canada. Denmark Strait. So Denmark Strait का है? So here is the Greenland. So it Davis Strait disconnect the Canada and the Greenland. Or here is a Denmark. So here is a Denmark. So it Denmark Strait disconnect the Greenland and the Denmark. Am I clear to you? Okay, so here is a Greenland and here is a Denmark. So here is a Denmark Strait, or here is a Davis Strait. So Denmark Strait disconnect the Greenland and the Denmark, and Davis Strait disconnect the Greenland and the Canada. Okay. So Hudson Strait also present in the North America. So here's the North America. So here you can see this Hudson Strait. It connect the Hudson Bay and the Labrador Sea. और लेब्राडोर सी को हम ब्रॉडर टर्म में बोल सकते हैं अटलांटिक ओशन. सो दिस हडसन स्ट्रेट कनेक्ट द हडसन बे एंड द अटलांटिक ओशन, और हडसन स्ट्रेट कनेक्ट द हडसन बे एंड द लेब्राडोर सी. So Magellan Strait. So this Magellan Strait present in the South America nearby Chile. Here is the Strait of Magellan nearby Strait of Magellan. So this strait connect the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. Here is the Pacific Ocean, here is the Atlantic Ocean. So Strait of Magellan connect the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Here you can see it connect the Pacific Ocean and the South Chile Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Florida Strait, where it's nearby the Gulf of Mexico. So it connect. Here is the Florida Strait. Here is the Florida. So here is the Florida Strait. So it connect the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. Okay. So Florida Strait. This Florida Strait connect the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. Now we will see some strait which present in the Middle East. Okay, so it is the map of Middle East where you can see the Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Iraq, Iran. Okay, so here is the main important strait is the Strait of Hormuz, and the Strait of Bab al-Mandeb. Map of the Middle East where you can see the different countries like Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Iran and Iraq. Here two important straits are present like Strait of Hormuz and Strait of Bab al-Mandeb Strait. Strait of Hormuz in the Middle East is very important for the purpose of the security, or you can say for the purpose of international relation. So this Hormuz is very important, Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz connect the, here is the Gulf of Persia, या Persian Sea, or here is the Arabian Sea, Gulf of Oman. So Strait of Hormuz connect the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. And here's other strait, Bab al-Mandeb Strait, which connect the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden Sea. Here you can see that Gulf of Hormuz Strait connect the Gulf of Persian and Gulf of Oman. So first we will discuss the important straits in the Europe. These are the important strait which is in the Europe. So first is the Gibraltar, Dover, Messina Strait, Otranto Strait, Bonifacio Strait, Bosporus Strait or Dardanelles Strait. Okay. What you can do, you can take a screenshot if you want to read this one. Okay. So I will explain this strait in the map. Okay. So first is the Gibraltar. So this is the Gibraltar which connect this is the Mediterranean Sea and this is the Atlantic Sea. Okay, this is the Atlantic Sea and there is a Mediterranean Ocean or sea. Okay, so it connect the Mediterranean and the Atlantic Ocean, or you can say it disconnect the Spain and the Morocco. Second is Dover. Where is it, Dover? So Dover is here. Okay, so we can say it connect the North Sea to the Atlantic Sea. So here is the Atlantic Sea or here is the North Sea. Okay, so it connect the North Sea to the Atlantic Sea, or we can say it disconnect the France to the UK. So here is the UK, or you can say UK में भी यहाँ पर क्या है, England. So it disconnect the England or France. Okay. So Messina Strait and the Otranto Strait. These strait is in the Mediterranean Sea. So let's see. It is the Otranto. So it's connect the Adriatic Sea and the Ionian Sea, and it disconnect the Italy and Albania. Here is the Albania. So you can see it disconnect the Italy and Albania. Here you can see Strait of Messina. Okay. Here we can see the other important strait in the Europe: Bonifacio Strait, Bosporus Strait, and the Dardanelles Strait. Okay. We can see the other important strait in the Europe: Bonifacio Strait, Bosporus Strait, and the Dardanelles Strait. Okay. In the map, we can see the Strait of Bonifacio connect the Mediterranean Sea and the Tyrrhenian Sea, or we can say it disconnect Corsica and Sardinia. So, Strait of Bonifacio disconnect two water bodies, Corsica and the Sardinia. And the other strait is Bosporus Strait. Bosporus Strait connect the Black Sea, and here is the Marmara Sea. So, it connect the Black Sea, this one, and the Marmara Sea. And the other one is Dardanelles Strait. So Dardanelles Strait connect the Marmara Sea and the Aegean Sea. Here is the Aegean Sea. So this Dardanelles जो strait है which connect the Marmara and Aegean Sea. We have already seen that Gibraltar is strait present in the Mediterranean Sea. So we have not studied this strait here. So Magellan Strait present in the South America. Okay. So in the map, North America, here is the Davis Strait. Okay. So this Davis Strait connect the Baffin Bay or the Labrador Sea. Okay. Or in the broader term, we can say this Davis Strait connect the Baffin Bay and the Atlantic Sea. Here you can see the Baffin Bay, Davis Strait connect the Baffin Bay and the Atlantic Ocean. Greenland, or we can say that it disconnect the Greenland and the Canada. Denmark Strait. So Denmark Strait का है. So here is the Greenland. So it Davis Strait disconnect the Canada and the Greenland. Or here is a Denmark. So it Denmark is here is a Denmark. So it Denmark Strait disconnect the Greenland and the Denmark. Am I clear to you? Okay. So here is the Greenland and here is a Denmark. So here is a Denmark Strait. Or here's a Davis Strait. So Denmark Strait disconnect the Greenland and the Denmark, and Davis Strait disconnect the Greenland and the Canada. Okay. And now we will see some straits which is very important in the Pacific Ocean or in the Southeast Asia, or we can say the South Asia. Okay. First we will see the Malacca Strait, Park Strait, Sunda Strait. Okay. So here you can see the Park Strait. This Park Strait is nearby India and the Sri Lanka. So this Park Strait connect the Bay of Bengal and this Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea and there is a Bay of Bengal. So this Park Strait connect the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, or you can say it disconnect the Sri Lanka and the India or the South India. Okay. So here is the Strait of Malacca. It's not that visible, but it's a Strait of Malacca which connect the Bay of Bengal and this sea. This sea name is the South China Sea. So Strait of Malacca connect the Bay of Bengal and the South China Sea, or we can say it disconnect Malaya Peninsula and the Sumatra Island. ठीक है. Sunda Strait. So here is the Sumatra Island. Here is the Java Island. So this Sunda Strait disconnect the Sumatra and the Java Island, or we can say this Sunda Strait connect this Indian Ocean and this Java Sea, because this sea is above this Java Island. So we can say this is the Java Sea or this is the Indian Ocean. So this Sunda Strait connect the Indian Ocean and the Java Sea. So this Sunda Strait connect the Java Sea and the Indian Ocean, or the location of the Sunda Strait is nearby इंडोनेशिया. सो सुमात्रा आइलैंड और हमने देखा वो जावा आइलैंड, ये सब क्या है, ये सुमात्रा आइलैंड, जावा आइलैंड, ये इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडोनेशिया. सो दिस सुंडा स्ट्रेट लोकेटेड नियर बाय this Indonesia. Okay, we'll see some strait which present in the Pacific Ocean or in the South East Asia and the South Asia. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the Bass Strait. This Bass Strait connect the Tasman Sea and there is the Indian Ocean or the South Indian Ocean. So this Bass Strait connect the Tasman Sea and the South Indian Ocean, or we can say it disconnect the Australia. It is the Australia. So it disconnect the Australia and the Tasmania. So here is a border picture of Australia, where you can see there is a Bass Strait which connect the South Indian Ocean and the Tasmania Sea, or we can say it disconnect the Australia and the Tasmania. So here you can see the Cook Strait. So this Cook Strait divide the New Zealand, North New Zealand and the South New Zealand. So here we can see that Cook Strait present in the South Pacific Ocean, and the location of this Cook Strait is the nearby North and South New Zealand Island. Okay. North channels, we have already seen that this North Channel is located nearby the England and the Ireland. So it's in the Europe. Torres Strait. So Torres Strait, it's connect the Arafura Sea and the Gulf of Papua New Guinea. ठीक है, and the location of this Torres Strait is Papua New Guinea and the Australia. Here you can see the Torres Strait which connect the Arafura Sea and the Pacific Ocean, or you can say it disconnect the Papua New Guinea and the Australia. Bering Strait. So this Bering Strait is connect the Bering Sea and the Chukchi Sea, or this Bering Strait connected the Alaska and the Russia. Bering Strait connect the Bering Sea and the Chukchi Sea, or you can say this Bering Strait disconnect the Russia and the Alaska which present near in the USA. So this Bering Strait, connect the Bering Sea and the Chukchi Sea, or we can say it disconnect the Russia and the Alaska. So Alaska is a part of the USA. So this Bering Strait is situated between the Russia and the Alaska, or we can say it disconnect the Russia and the Alaska. Here is the Strait of Makassar. So this Strait of Makassar connect the Java Sea and the Slap Sea, or we can say it disconnect the Borneo and the Slaps Island. Okay. So here is the Sunda Strait, here is a Makassar Strait, here is a Park Strait, and here is a Lujan Strait. This Lujan Strait connect this South China Sea and this Pacific Ocean. Okay, so this Lujan Strait disconnect the Taiwan and the Phillips Island. Okay, Phillips Island और Taiwan को disconnect करता है कौन? Lujan Strait. So here is the Taiwan Strait. So this Taiwan Strait connect the South China Sea and East China Sea. So here is the East China Sea, or here is the South China Sea. So there is a Taiwan Strait which connect the South China Sea and the East China Sea and the South China Sea. Or we can say this Taiwan Strait disconnect this China and the Taiwan. So here is the Luzon Strait which disconnect the Taiwan and Philippines, and here is the Taiwan Strait which disconnect the China and the Taiwan. So here is the Tsushima Strait which connect the Yellow Sea, East China Sea and the Japan Sea. Okay, we have seen that the Makassar Strait connect the Java Sea and the Celeb Sea which present nearby the Indonesia, and the Tsushima Strait which connect the Japan Sea, Yellow Sea and the East China Sea which present nearby the Korea and the Japan. So this Tsushima Strait connect the Java Sea, Japan Sea and the Yellow Sea. Sugawa Strait. This Sugawa Strait present in the Japan and it disconnect the two island of Japan. This one and this one. So this Sugawa Strait disconnect the Hokkaido or Honshu Island of Japan, and we can say this Sugawa Strait connect the Japan Sea and the Pacific Sea. This Sugawa Strait connect the Japan Sea and there is the Pacific Ocean. So this Sugawa Strait connect the Japan Sea and the Pacific Ocean, or it disconnect the two island of the Japan. Here you can see the Tsushima Strait and the Korea Strait. So this Korea Strait is nearby the South Korea, and the Tsushima Strait connect the Yellow Sea, East China Sea and the Japan Sea. Okay. Here is the Korea Strait. So this Korea Strait connect the East China Sea, Yellow Sea and the Sea of Japan. Same is the Tsushima Sea. Okay. So Tsushima Sea and Korea Sea both nearby. So we can say this Tsushima Sea connect the Japan Sea, Yellow Sea and East China Sea, and the Korea Strait also connect the East China Sea, Yellow Sea and the Japan Sea. But this Tsushima Strait nearby the Korea and Japan, this Korea Strait is South Korea and the Japan. So Tokra Strait also present in the Japan. So you can see that Tokra Strait also present in the Japan, and is a Fovex Strait which is South New Zealand. So it connect the Tasman Sea and the Java Sea. So here you can see the Fovex Strait which is South New Zealand, and it connect the Tasman Sea and the Pacific Ocean. And now the last one is the Tartar Strait. So this Tartar Strait connect the Japan Sea and Okhotsk Sea. Okay, and it nearby the Russia and the Sakhalin Island. So here you can see the Strait of Tartary or Strait of Tartar, or this strait connect the Sea of Japan and Sea of Okhotsk. Okay, so or we can say it disconnect the Russia and the Sakhalin Island. So this strait disconnect the Russia and the Sakhalin Island, or we can say it connect the Sea of Okhotsk and Sea of Japan. Here you can see the Sugawa Strait. This Sugawa Strait disconnect the Japan two island Okinawa and the Honshu Island and Okinawa Island. So here is the Sugawa Island, Sugawa Strait.